Hey Hooper, it's Deanne Love here. Welcome to day 28 of the 30 days in flow. Have you been with me every day? That's because we're in alignment. Today's theme, today's technique is actually align. When you hear that word, align, what do you think of? I instantly went to physical alignment. I know that the word alignment or being in alignment with things is often passed around in spiritual terms, but I always think of structure and flow alignment in our body, and yet we're all completely unique in the way that we are aligned. So today's 4 moves, particularly the first one, is going to help you to become aware of your alignment. We're going to do a body roll, then folding, vortex breaks, and then a stall. And today's body roll is a beautiful one. So you're going to choose which hand does the roll and which hand does the catch. And what we're going to do is, if you're doing your right hand roll, you're going to step forward with your right foot. And then you're going to open your opposite shoulder and take your palm back. Now, if this is challenging for you, give yourself a dance party. Also give yourself a lot of self-compassion. No forcing, no extra push. Work with your alignment today. But what we're going to do is, if it's your right hand that's doing the roll, you're going to have your palm facing up and you're going to push the hoop into your belly or solar plexus so that it rolls up and over your shoulder. And as that happens, you're going to look at your hand and the hoop will come into alignment. Looks like this. So we step forward and then palm up, push and catch. You're going to catch with your hand up. So push, bring the hoop into your belly, up and over your shoulder and catch. Turning very gently. Now from here, we're going to unfold. This is our folding move, and bring the hoop straight onto our body. So, and of course, if you're doing this on the opposite side or you want to practice on both sides, then that is accessible to you too. So we push up and catch, unfold over towards the center line of your body, hinge, bringing your elbow in, hoop goes down and up. Here we go, seamlessly into vortex breaks, down and up, down and up. The next time the hoop comes into your preferred hand, you're going to take it up. You can prepare with a spin, and then we turn with a stall. You can hold on to your hoop if you like, so you can grip on and get this beautiful up and down leverage if you want to stall it that way. To do that, you're going to turn in the same direction as your hoop, spinning in, turning and spinning simultaneously, and then grabbing your hoop with a squeeze hand grip and keeping your arm in alignment with your side body as you turn down and up. You can do one spin at the top or many. Okay, so roll, catch, unfold, hinge on, up to center, down, up, vortex breaks, down, up, down, spin, stall, or one hand up and down. Align. Alignment. Feels so good. A beautiful spinal twist. Giving yourself lots of playtime here. Let's turn up the tunes and let's flow. the more and more we come into alignment with our true self and how we want to express ourselves in each moment, each passing moment, each new and fresh moment, the more we can open up to any of these moves and then pour in our own variations and creativity. Thank you so much for journeying with me on these 30 days. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Day 29, we are almost there. And then we get to start again. It's a never-ending journey. Big hoop love. Mwah.